Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to clear YouTube search history. To do this you have to be logged in into YouTube. As you can see here in the right top corner I have my icons there. This means that I am logged in. Currently I am even in my channel guys, and here on the left hand side you will see hamburger icon in the left top corner. Just click on this hamburger icon and click here on history. Here you will be able to see much more information on the left hand side, and here will be this manage all history. Just click in there where you will see this tab auto delete. If you click in there, as you can see here, auto delete activity, don't auto delete activity. This means that all activity, all your searches, all your watched videos, they are being saved in your YouTube history. But you can select this auto delete activity older than, and you can select 3 months for example. Or another way how you can clear your YouTube search history or don't allow your search history at all is if we go back now to watch history, and here if we click on comments, then here in the left hand side at the very top you will see my activity. Just click in there my activity, and here you will see this YouTube history. Currently it is on. Just click in there. On this page you will be able to manage your YouTube history. As you can see here guys, sub settings include the YouTube videos you watch. If you uncheck this, then those videos which you will watch will not be saved into your history, or include your YouTube searches on YouTube. If you unclick this one, then your searches will not be also saved on YouTube. As you can see here guys, pause the YouTube search history. Pausing YouTube search history may limit or disable more personalized experiences across Google services. This pretty much means guys that they will not be storing your data, whatever you are searching, and your searches on YouTube will not be saved for YouTube. So yes guys, hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.